on Section 51. This is DozGeek. You are watching now the YouTube channel of Section 51. Yes, this is the official channel. Welcome to you. I am DozGeek, and you are watching a new amazing video coming. Today we are going to talk about the finding of some potential traces of aliens in some ancient cave in India. So that's a big title. I hope not to be deceived by this title, but at the first sight that could be interesting. So let's try, and if you don't mind, let's try together to enter that new mystery. Okay? But before this, thank you to all the followers, all the subscribers, all the people who ever follow the channel Section 51. But now let's get back to the internet and let's see what is this new article right now. Okay. You see this new guy, my old friend alien. This is a gray one, I don't know. So we are on the website of Ancient Files, and I found this article which was published on June the 9th of 2020. I always like articles like this, talking about ancient civilizations, ancient astronauts, all these theories that make the traditional researchers and archaeologists laugh at their best. So the title is 10,000-year-old painting with extraterrestrial beings and UFOs found in an ancient cave in India. So I guess the painting is the one that we can see on the picture. And the painting shows a guy, a brown guy with a big head, with two large and dark eyes, and on each end maybe 3 or 4 fingers, and he is accompanied with some strange ship or aircraft painted in red on the rock. Recently, a new discovery was made in a cave in India which completely disagrees with everything historians and scientists alike have told us about our history. Basically, what we discovered was a set of paintings that are all supposedly 10,000 years old, which depict alien life forms wearing what appears to be spacesuits, arriving in UFOs and interacting with mankind. This might be a bit too much to take in, so let's start this off again. So here are back the pictures, the photos of the paintings. Locals have talked about the existence of these paintings for quite a while now, but recently a group of archaeologists stumbled upon it near the tribal Bastar region. The existence of these paintings supports the idea of the ancient astronaut theory, which implies that thousands upon thousands of years ago, alien life forms arrived and made contact with us, lending us their technology in exchange for our servitude. This is a bit like the theory of Anunnakis. This would imply that the ancient alien life form resulted in the current depictions of gods we have, and all of this plus more are supported by today's discovery. According to the lore, these creatures were known as the small-sized ones, and they would arrive in spaceships and take one or two locals away, only for them to never return again. Similar paintings have been found all across the globe, but none are in as good of a condition as the ones discovered here. You can see some of these paintings here yourself and make up your own mind about them. Yes, that's very significant. We can see the big eyes, the big dark eyes, and the big rounded white head. And there is not a single guy, there is a group of these guys painted on the rock in the cave. And we have no comments. So it was in an old cave in India. Are these photos authentic? I have to say that we have very few sources for this article. Very few things or very few bases to put these informations. Maybe if we search on Google. So we are on the indiatimes.com, an article written by Rashmi Drolia, and it was written on July of 2014, and we can see again the same photos. Bhagat, the archaeologist G.R. Bhagat, is it the same? Here we don't have any name. The Tribal Basta region. The Tribal Basta region. Yes, this is the same region. The findings suggest that humans in prehistoric times may have seen or imagined beings from other planets, which still create curiosity among people and researchers. Extensive research is needed for further findings. Chhattisgarh presently doesn't have any such expert who could give clarity on the subject, Bhagat told to TOI. What is TOI? The Times of India. There are several beliefs among locals in these villages. While few worship the paintings, others narrate stories that they have heard from ancestors about Rohela people, the small-sized ones who used to land from sky in a round-shaped flying object and take away 1 or 2 persons of village who never return. Okay, good, we have a bit more information in this article. The paintings are done in natural colors that have hardly faded despite the years. The strangely carved figures are seen holding weapon-like objects and do not have clear features. Especially the nose and mouth are missing. In few pictures, they are even shown wearing spacesuits. We can't refute possibility of imagination by prehistoric men, but humans usually fancy such things, the archaeologist said. He added that it is a coincidence that such ancient images appear to have sharp resemblance to UFOs shown in alien movies. The fan-like antenna and 3 legs of vehicles stand clearly show a similarity to UFO-type craft, he said. Other archaeologists would also be consulted for further verification. So here we have some few comments. My name is Sunil Patwardhan. I found one spot 100% attached by aliens. In Maharashtra, I found some object, a cave and stone statue 9 feet height, like a... We have 372 comments. Seemingly this being visited Earth, but by then they had not advanced so much in technology, since in these pictures they are wearing spacesuits. On the contrary, these days they are seen so advanced that they don't need spacesuit any longer. Yes, that's right, somewhere. And there is another one who is saying, these are extraterrestrial beings. They visited Earth thousands of years back to help humanity to grow. If you go through Ancient Aliens series, which is easily available on YouTube, you will get the answer. Our gods are actually visitors from another world. Yes, a lot of people believe this theory, and myself, I am one of these believers. I would say I am half believer to this theory, because I would need more proofs, and the last thing which is missing for me is that I would need a confirmation by a very well-known and very respected historian or archaeologist in the scientific sphere, in the scientific world of all these research. And on another one who is saying, it is true, if it's true, India was the favorite of aliens. Another one saying, it has been proved that most of the cave paintings were done by people who were stoned either on cannabis or cactus or some psychotropic substance. I don't know about the UFOs, but it's interesting that 10,000 years ago we had a bunch of stoned guys painting their walls. Talk about stoners being smarter, lol. And when you are stoned, when you are stoned by cannabis or another drug, you are able to invent a guy like this, like looking like an alien, with a big head, a big white head with big dark eyes. That's a very fast conclusion. A Sheila saying that 10,000 years ago people can't dream so much. Their imagination was limited, so drawing this UFO picture on the walls depict that maybe something of this sort had taken place finally. Yes, that's not wrong. Amazing, we are not alone. Everyone knows that. And you? Do you know, or do you believe that we are not alone in the universe? Do you believe that we are constantly and regularly visited on Earth by some alien species, different species? Do you think that there were ancient civilizations, there were ancient astronauts who visited Earth and who put the seeds of life on Earth, the seeds of humanity? Do you believe that they are our parents? Do you think that they created life on Earth, that they created us, humans, poor humans on Earth? And if it's the case, why did they do this? Why did they create men and women? Why did they create humanity? What was the objective? Was it a mission? Was it an experiment? What was the purpose of all this? As you can see, a lot of questions again, and what I'm sure is that I can't answer to all these questions today with you. But maybe some of you have some part of the answers in the comments of this video on YouTube. That's the surprise, and that's what is interesting in the life, is that we still can be surprised every day at any moment in our life by very amazing news like this, or by any sign, any strange sign that we can recognize and or that we can spot in all the things surrounding us in the everyday life. So thank you guys for watching this new video. I am curious to see your new comments. What are your feelings about all this? What are your reactions? What is your opinion? Please share with us your answers or your theories. I am very curious to know. Thank you for your loyalty to Section 51. So what can I say to you? All I can say is that I can wish you live long and prosper until the next time, until the next video. Keep watching at the sky. Keep your eyes open. Keep your mind open. Keep watching the videos of Section 51. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our Facebook page, Section 51, or our shop, Spreadshirt, on Section 51. You will find all the links here on the channel in the description. This was DozGeek on Section 51. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe until the next video, and in the next video, as always, new story, a new mystery for which we have to find some answers. Thank you again. Bye bye. Big kisses. This was DozGeek. Bye.